this one on Teams, and then I'm going to get going. There we go. All copied into Teams. Just rip this off from yesterday. I'm not overly sure about this whiteboard. It's not the best, but it will do. I need some better whiteboard spray. Okay. Let's go for it. Okay. Right. Immigration. Okay, looks like a few people are here, so we will get going. So today we are going to look at the immigration and tensions within Whitechapel. I'll turn this around for you. I haven't found a better setup yet, so hopefully at some point. Right, there we go. Hopefully at some point I will get a better setup so that we can go away. That's Mrs. Moore. Just to have a look at what the situation was like with people actually living in Whitechapel. So the first thing you need to do on the work that I've set is you've got this big grid, which I'm going to talk through today for you. And I want you to make a mind map like you did on Monday of all the different elements, making sure that you're using the keywords at the bottom. Okay. Now, obviously, I've set 2 PowerPoints. So I want you to look at the theme above and the info, create a mind map, illustrate it as much as you want, highlight it, make it as pretty as you want, make sure it's at least this side of A4. You can then use the clips that are attached to help you just cement your learning. And then I would like you to answer the questions. Again, exactly the same process as you did on Monday. So where do we begin? The best place to begin is with Irish immigration in Whitechapel. Put that there a little bit. Okay, now at this point, I hate my feet, let's do that. At this point, Britain owns Ireland. So Ireland, as in all of Ireland, Northern and Southern Ireland, are owned by Britain. Britain controls it. It is part of our empire. So since the early 19th century, so that's the early 1800s, young Irishmen had been coming over to England to work as something called a navvy. Now, obviously, this is a term that you need to be very careful with because it can be seen as quite a racist, derogatory term. However, in the historical context, this is what they were called. I don't recommend you go around calling people it. Now, these people were labourers. And they would work in places like the docks, on the railways, the roads, and a large number